Look at this. We have so much fun with the current years, might as well go back a year. I don't know if I'll get as emotional as other people when they pull certain cards, but maybe I will. You don't know. We're obviously looking for Elias Pettersson. So hopefully we will be able to crack it. Crack the code. SP Authentic. It's my first box of SP Authentic outside of this year, so I'm excited. It opens pretty easy. That's pretty cool. First pack. Thick. Domi just got traded over to the Blue Jackets. Good for him. Maybe that'll be Neil Pionk. Spectrum Future Watches. Bask in all its glory. It's pretty nice. And well, I guess what we'll do here, we'll use Cale Makar as the bottom part right here. Ooh, he's so pretty. Put our hits here. Vasilevsky, Champion, Justin Williams, and Philip. Thick. I would love to know what you guys got in your boxes of this. This is my first year opening hockey cards on a regular basis. So obviously I don't know much. Sid the Kid. Quick, Dero Vainen, Marnar Sauce, and Authentic Moments with Bakbasar. Thick. Are they all thick? Seems like they're all thick. Eric Carlson, Sean Couturier, Jobless. Update Dylan Strome. Thick. Thomas Hurtel. Anthony Mantha. Sergei Bobrovsky. Ooh, Kerfoot. PK Subban. All-Star. He's stoked. Super stoked. I wouldn't mind seeing a Zach Whitecloud. I think he's up in here. He had a great, whatchamacallit, playoffs. Cam Talbot, Dabrusk, Austin Matthews, Nico Hischier, and our Future Watch auto is Jace Halltruck. I don't know you. 499 out of 999. Jace Halltruck. I don't know you. Moving right along. Barzal. Carlson. Kucherov. Champion. DeBrincat. And Marc-Andre Fleury. Flower moves into 10th on the NHL career wins list. Stud. That goes to the PC immediately. God. Oh, thick. Oh, thick. Oh, what's this? What's this all about? What's this? Boucher? Dominic Hasek, legend. Stupid guy. Andersley. Jeff Skinner. Craig Anderson. Limited auto material. Look at that patch. 28 out of 50. Craig Anderson. Wow, that patch is crazy. Looks game used as all heck. Look at that on card auto. It's like, I'm gonna do it right. Like one of those fine tip Sharpies. Actual game. And we used in a game, everybody. See if my thick bitch sleeve will put this thick card up in here. That's a really nice patch though. D. Where's that at? It's the actual. Yeah, that's amazing. It's an amazing little patch there. Smooth. Craig Anderson. Auto patch. He's a goaltender. He's stopping a puck. Very nice. Find 2 autographs total. So that was our 2. Let's just see if we get a bonus one because we've been good boys. We're good boys. So we get more autographs. Jack Eichel. Guy Lafleur. Over checking. He can come over here. Michael Granlund. And a rookie year milestones of Billy Barber. That's a hit over there. Fun, fun, fun. Until the father takes the T-bird away. Then there is no fun to be had. Ooh, Alex Ovechkin. Spectrum. That's nice. Shiny and new. Billy Boy. Billy Carlson. Bach Besser. Moynihan. And Mikko Rantanen. James Neal, I know that ginger beard anywhere. Boom, 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 boom. Bang, 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 bang. Mark Messier. Debo. Steven Stamkos, rookie year milestone. He might be out of town. Everybody talking like, oh, let's just dump him. He's broken. Interesting. Marc-Andre Fleury, Jonathan Machacho. That's cool in the same pack. And then we got Josh Mahura. Young Guns from the update. I did not do any research on any of this, so I have no idea. I didn't know what rookies came in the update. I could have peeked, I suppose. I mean, yeah, I didn't even cut my nails before this, so obviously I'm lacking. Marcel Dion, Patrick King, Kyle Collin, Matt Zuccarello, and we got Mark Messier red. And that'll go great with the base. Messier. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's oh. Got a few more packs. We're doing good. We're doing all right. Had a good time. It's all right. Ryan O'Reilly, Bo Horvat, Yanni Gibson, Radulov. Ooh, and a red Wayne to go with his buddy Mark. Wayne. Mark. Galinchuk. Pecornini. Ekblad. Toddy Price. And a Barzal. Rookie year milestones. Very nice, very nice. We have four packs remaining. Getting closer to the end. Just throwing packs everywhere. Look at this guy. Roberto Luongo. He's stopping a puck. 1,000th NHL appearance. Wasn't that special? That's just a base card, so I don't need to do that. Brent Burns. Thick. Breadman. Pierre-Luc Dubois. Three packs remaining. Ah, Nathan McKinnon. What's your story? We got our Wayne guy. It's our buddy Wayne to go with the other one. That's cool. Carl Hagelin in the update. Johnny Gaudreau. Huh? You like that? You like how I just flowed that? Gaudreau. Two packs remaining. Thick. So many thick bitches. Charlie McAvoy. Ryan Ellis. Berto. Rico Raquel. And a moment of Rasmus Dahlin. Goes first in the 2018 draft. That's like killer, bro. Super killer. I'm really happy for you. Alright. Last pack. Mojo. Nolan Patrick. Duncan Keith. The Rat. Jonathan Drouin. And Dylan Larkin. That's the end? It is the end. Now, let's recap. We got a Future Watch of Neil Pionk. Spectrum. We got a red Dylan Larkin. We got Wayne, and we got a red Wayne. And then we got a red Messier. And we got a milestone of Barzal. Rookie year milestone. We got a Josh Mahura of the Ducks. Quack, quack. Sam Coase. We got Overchecking. Spectrum. Bill Barber. Overchecking. The big hit of the stuff. We got Jace Weltribit. Austin and Sydney. We'll put that down here. This is the big hit. Look at that patch. That's cool. It's like D. Like D's patch. 28 out of 50. Craig Anderson. Very nice. Very nice. Alright, so that is 1819 SP Authentic. My first box opening. It was fun. I'll do it again. Watch. I bet a fig would. And I'm going to do it. Look at that. Look at all them curds. We got curds. We got PC curds. We got update curds. We got Pet Shoto curds. Pet Shoto curds. Alright, this is Old Fig Gamer. Like, share, subscribe. Do the shishterkins. And I'll go cut my nails and wash my hennies, and we'll have more box videos. Neat.